for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tow hitch, heated mirrors, brake assist, daytime running lights, fog lamps, steel wheels, tires front all season, four-wheel disc brakes, tires rear all season. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.